I can't let you do this to me. I won't lose.
Shut up, Sonic. Let me control you for good.
No, please.
Finally, I got control of him now. It's time to seek my revenge.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Gallatin County Police. At approximately 10:04 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, authorities have tracked a substance heading for the county. They recognize it's not a human, but a mysterious creature with the ability to fly and is said to arrive in 30 minutes. He is currently 25 miles from the county. All residents must stay calm and remain vigilant and look out for suspicious activity. This hedgehog is yet to be known at this time, but people seem like this hedgehog looked different. He's not confirmed to be hostile yet, but in cases, some people say this could begin another outbreak. Again, this can't be confirmed at this time. All residents must again be vigilant. Stay tuned for more information whenever it becomes available.
Eat this! Let's see how fast you can really go! Eat this!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Gallatin County Police. At approximately 10:34 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, the same creature that was detected 30 minutes ago is in fact hostile and has arrived. This hedgehog is believed to be named Fleetway. Fleetway is a hedgehog that is able to cause fires, which so far, he destroyed the Barnes & Noble store, causing 42 deaths and 86 injuries from the bites or the burns, which all are in severe or even critical condition, likely to not survive. All residents must stay indoors and do not approach this hedgehog. He is absolutely insane and he will attack anyone he encounters. Here's how to protect yourself if you live about a 10-mile radius from the Barnes & Noble store, which has burned down in flames. If this worsens, arm yourself with a weapon if he breaks into homes next. Gather every tool you need to cover all possible holes in your house and seal all fireplace dampers. Bring essentials to your shelter. This isn't mandatory just yet, but this situation could escalate further than it is right now. Luckily, the employees there evacuated on time before they were cornered by the fire. Fire teams have arrived to extinguish the fire, but so far, Fleetway is making the job harder since 2 more fires broke out with major growth and speed. Stay tuned for more information whenever it becomes available.
This is a breaking news report that is set to broadcast now. Today's topic is that a Barnes & Noble store in Gallatin County is destroyed. This incident is believed to be Fleetway who is behind this. This hedgehog has red eyes, yellow and golden skin, red circles all over his glowing eyes, sharp teeth, extreme strength, and ability to move fast and to start fires as well. Our reporter is live at the scene. Can you hear me?
I am there, and as you see, everyone has evacuated the store. Even the employees safely evacuated, but panicking was everywhere around the store when Fleetway Sonic hit this county. For the last hour, he already killed from 92 to 249 people, what a sharp jump from when it was about 43. The injuries have escalated up to 395 people. Well, looks like more police are arriving, so I gotta really get out. Oh no. He's next to me, and he just killed the police and the firemen. I gotta run for it.
Shut up!
This is a broadcast from the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A civil danger warning is now in effect. The situation with Fleetway has dramatically worsened. So far, the death toll has increased from 249 to 4755, making this even sharper than before. This is due to his ability to possess the ability to fly and cause fires. The number of fires broken out has reached to about 94, and most of them are in Montana, with 56, 18 in California, 4 in Colorado, 9 in Arizona, 3 in New Mexico, and 6 in Oregon. The numbers of fires have grown so bad too. In fact, Fleetway has the ability to grow stronger every time he exposes himself to the heat. It is unknown what weakness he has, but in case, use any coal supply with you if you encounter him. All residents in the West must evacuate in areas without fires or seek shelter. If you choose to shelter in place, grab food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio or a phone, if it is used for emergency purposes. This crisis is only gonna start continuing to unfold. As time progresses, the Army will be on the search for this hedgehog. It is unknown where he was last seen, but radars indicate he was last seen ravaging Los Angeles, California. Please keep tuned.
Radzimy teraz wejść do swojego bunkra. Jeż jest na wolności. Ten jeż ma złocisto-żółtą skórę, czerwone kręgi wokół oczu i czerwone świecące oczy, co oznacza, że jest to Fleetway. Fleetway to jeż, który może być zbyt gorący, by go dotknąć. Jest niesamowicie szybki jak samochód wyścigowy, a ostatnio widziano go na Pomorzu. Do tej pory zginęło 95 osób, a 243 osoby zostały ranne, kiedy przybył około 3 godziny temu. Należy pamiętać, że ma on zdolność do tworzenia pożarów i używania laserów, co oznacza, że zespoły straży pożarnej są w pogotowiu na wypadek wybuchu pożaru. W województwie pomorskim wybuchły dotychczas 4 pożary. Wszystkim w województwie pomorskim radzimy, aby natychmiast udali się do swojego schronu lub piwnicy. Gdy go spotkasz, umrzesz natychmiast, albo przez spalenie, albo zostaniesz okrutnie ugryziony, ponieważ on również wpada w krwiożerczy szał. Słychać tam nawet mrożące krew w żyłach krzyki, ponieważ to straszne wydarzenie dopiero zaczyna się rozwijać. Nie zbliżaj się do niego. Zabije cię i nie uciekniesz. Jeśli to się utrzyma, będziemy musieli wysłać komunikat ewakuacyjny Pomorza. Proszę, bądźcie czujni.
You are advised to enter your bunker now. A hedgehog is on the loose. This hedgehog has golden yellow skin, red circles around his eyes and has red glowing eyes, which identifies that it is Fleetway. Fleetway is a hedgehog that can be too hot to touch. He is insanely fast as a racing car, and he was last seen in Tomorrowski. As of now, 95 people have died and 243 people got injured when he arrived. Just about 3 hours ago, please note that he possesses the ability to create fires and use lasers, which means fire department teams are on alert in case a fire breaks out. 4 fires have broken out in Tomorrowski so far. Everyone in Tomorrowski is advised to get into their shelter or basement immediately. Once you encounter him, you will die instantly, either by being burnt or being ferociously bitten. Because he is going on a bloodthirsty rage as well. Blood-curdling screams are even heard there, as this terrible event there starts to only begin to unfold. Do not approach him. He will kill you and you will not escape. If this continues, we are gonna have to send out an evacuation message of Tomorrowski. Please keep tuned.
Rashi Yik Wixian Jing Jail. Rashi Yin Wei Yu Ji Ming Wei Ji Ondui De Shi Yes Wei Jen Zai Si Ji Shen Hua He Fu Jen Zhao Yang Ji Yi Shen Fen. Jake Si Dike Wu Da Su Iu Jimen Do Bike Zu Ju Di Binen. Raji Si Wei Kings Hitch He Shen Woden Ingli. Shi Tamen Gen Pin Fan. Gen Kwai. Gen Nan Pami. Women de Zio Feng Yuan Gen Zai Zion Chang Keng Zi Jake Si Huo Zai, Dong Shi, Zai Fashion Huo Zai Di Dai Hu. Tia Jian Fei Chang Gong Zio. Bai Ao Jin Huo Yuan Huo Fleetway Shen Bo. Jake Si Hui Shi Sini. Kui Zhu de Feng Shi Zi Wis Hong Hui Tong Shi Ni. Yun Wei Ta Shi Shi Sieda. Ta de Yachi Hen Feng Gli. Shanghai 420人死亡650人受伤，福建100人死亡180人受伤。Swazu Bike Supin, GNNI Kanan ZSCI Bayo Fojong Zinkan Zai Lai, Fus, NI He NI 的 GRN 张北热一杀少。四位 Chadai SI Women 的经常会 Zaya 到他的，苏玉清 Bayo Kai Leng Jing。Gangzi Nin shouting Ci Zai Oxy.
The following message is transmitted by the Government of Australia. Fleetway Sonic has reached Australia. It is believed he's been travelling to different location by location to attack a country with a brutal movement of hundreds of deaths. Roughly 50 people are injured and 20 are dead. This attack has taken place in Sydney, which means everyone there is advised to evacuate the area immediately. Bring supplies that are deemed essential to you. And make sure you have a phone with you held for emergency reasons. No one in Sydney will be allowed to enter back until Fleetway's damage is repaired. We are building shelters for the people who arrived to other Australia states from Sydney. Please remain calm and stay tuned for more information.
The following message is transmitted by the United States government. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. Fleetway Sonic that was attacking other countries has returned to attack us again. However, during that time, we prepared all our weapons, and all are cold. Make sure you bring cold weapons for your shelter along with other essential supplies because we identified his weakness, the cold. He is still located in the Pacific region, but we will find him anytime, even if we're gonna lose more people. As for the rest of the people located in Gallatin County, you must stay in your shelter. If you exited it, get back inside. He's already back for us to feel his wrath. He will never be able to withstand us or the freeze weapons. Stay tuned for more information. The following message is transmitted by the United States government. This is not a test. Fleetway Sonic has finally died. Our weapons have successfully stopped him, because the only way he died was to freeze. As of now, you are free to exit your shelters, but some locations are damaged, which may take a long time to repair. Anyways, regular programming will now resume.